Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about customize ribbons. How do you customize ribbons? Now, what is ribbon? Ribbons are the tools found here. These are the ribbons and they are also called as tools. These are used in text formatting or document formatting as well. So you can see from here we have the tabs. These are the ribbon tabs and these are the ribbons. Let's say we are just working on some document and you need text box. You have to go to insert, then text box is here. If you want table, the same table is here, and text effects, you go to home and it is here. Now you want superscript too is at the same home. Now it is a superscript, it is here. Now let's say you are just working on some documents whereby you need these 4 tools or 4 ribbons at one place. Can't we add these tools to the quick access toolbar here so that you can just, as soon as you click on it, it appears and you start using. You don't need to be moving or just moving to the tabs and all these things. So you can just customize it and create your own. The tools that you'll be working on, you can just customize it and add it to, you can just add it to the quick access toolbar, or you can just create another tab and just add them to that. Now, how can we add these tools to the quick access toolbars over here? Now, watch here. The quick access toolbar here contains this undo, redo, and the print, right? And the save button as well. So now we are going to add these 4 tools here in order to help us to just do our work very easy. So now, how can we add it? Now, when using Windows machine, you go to the file, then you go to options, then so you go to file, you go to options, and you go to customize ribbons. Customize ribbons. Now, when using Mac operating system, you go to Word, and now you go to preferences. Now we have it over here, ribbons and toolbar. Ribbons and toolbar. Now you can just create ribbons. You can just create these ribbons or these tabs. So when you check here, customize the ribbon tab. So we have these are all tabs here. So these are all tabs. Now I can decide to create new one. When you press on the additional sign, you're going to create new ribbon tab. Then you add the tools or the ribbons that you want to add it here. Now it's going to be the next one here. But as you see, just read this. So I have to get the subscription before it enables me to do that. But for the quick access toolbar, I can do that. So let's try it for the quick access toolbar. Now this is the quick access toolbar. That's the tools on top of the word over here. Now when you check it, you can see we have file, we have save, undo, repeat, print, and stop recording. Now I just want to, let me take this one off. Okay, so let me take this also off. Okay, let me just maintain this. Now we are going to add these tools. The first one is the superscript. So the tools are here. In order to find the superscript, just click on this drop down and just select all commands. All commands. And let's wait. Okay, so superscript, it starts with S. So let's type in S. Okay, so and let's go. There's the X column. So superscript. Okay, so we are just locating where superscript is. Now let's see where we can find it. Okay, so that's superscript over here. So this is subscript. Okay, this is subscript. Now where is okay? This is superscript. Okay, so you can now add. So you can just this to add and this to remove. So you can now you've added the superscript. Now let's add the text box. So text box. So this is text box. So text box, let's add text box. Now let's add table So that is auto table. So let's see auto table. Okay. So this auto fit table. Okay. Okay, so auto table. So let's add this. Now the last one is a test effect. So T, test effect. Okay, so this is a table auto format. Okay, so you can just add it as well. Now you want test effect, this test effect as well. Now let's add. So in our quick access toolbar, this side, we must have these tools there. As soon as we want to use it, you don't need to be just clicking on the tabs here. You just go to the quick access toolbar and they are there already for you. So now let's go to save. Now when I click save, watch what happens here. So you see now all the tools that we added, they are here. So when working on your document, you don't need to just click on the following tabs to just locate a specific tool. We've added the common tools that we're using over there. Just click on that and use it. So that's a way to customize ribbon. Alright, so thank you for watching and see you in the next video.